guys, looking Total Parts Pro. Today we've got 2017 Ford Escape, stock from the 6857. It's round from the right, 2610 to the left, 2020. That goes to a ZG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, back with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the ZG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, and a smoke cluster.